Good morning, the students of class 6. Today I am going to discuss the geography chapter 2, the globe, latitude and longitude, and rest of the part of the chapter 2. And today's subunit is longitude and time. So previous class we have already learned what are called longitudes. Now today we learn how longitude can be very effective on calculating times in different part of the world. So the best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, moon and the planets. Have you think that how did the ancient people calculate time? At the time they also calculate time by observing the movements of earth, moon and the planets. Like in ancient Indian civilizations as well as in Maya, Inca and Egyptian civilizations and different part of the world, they had used different clocks such as the shadow clock, the sand clock as well as the water clock. And by using of these clocks and by different type of measurements, they calculate the time. How do we calculate the times? That local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. So today we are measuring the time by the movements of sun also, that when sun is at the top of our head, it is 12 noon and it is the longest distance from a person or a area, so that is at the time of sunset or sunrise. So when the prime meridian of the Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday. So when sun is at the midday sky on the Greenwich, on the prime meridian 0 degree, and all the places situated over this prime meridian or 0 degree is measured 12 noon. How do we calculate these things? Now we will learn. Just look at the board that Earth took 24 hours to rotate 360 degree. That Earth in a tilted manner, it is rotates in his axis on 360 degree in the round shape. So the Earth took 1 hour. So if Earth took 1 hour to rotate 360 by 24 equal to 15 degree. So using the unitary method of mathematics, we will learn easily that. So if 24 hours take time needed to rotate 360 degree, then 1 hour needed to rotate 360 by 24 and divided by 24 equal to 15 degree. So Earth took 1 hour to rotate 50 degree. And in the similar way, if we calculate 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, so Earth rotates 15 degree in 60 minutes, then Earth rotates 1 degree in 4 minutes. So in the similar way, using unitary methods, we can calculate that now Earth took just 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree. In the similar way, 60 divided by 15, 4 minutes. So now all the places situated in the prime eastward in the prime meridian, we calculate that it is just, and the times also decreased in decreased in eastern hemisphere and also increased in the western hemisphere. Suppose the time is 12 noon at Greenwich. So what will be the time in 15 degree east longitude? It will be 1 hour earlier, like 1 p.m. So it will be 1 p.m. because it is situated 15 degree east of prime meridian. So already 12 p.m. passed that place, and at the time the time will be 1 p.m. And the similar way, if we calculate wants to calculate the time in the 15 degree west longitude, then what will be the time? And if the Greenwich time is 12 o'clock, noon, 12 noon, then in the 15 degree west longitude, the time will be 11 a.m. Yes, it is 11 a.m. because you already know that Earth rotates 50 degree in 60 minutes, and Earth took 1 hour to rotate 50 degree. In the similar way, we can calculate the times of all the longitudes over the globe, the total 360 longitudes. We can calculate the time of all the 360 longitudes. Then what will be the time of 180 degree east or west latitude? Yes, it is also, what will be the time? So it is 12 a.m. at night. Another thing, you can adjust the time of your watch at 12 o'clock at noon. When sun is at the mid sky, then you can adjust your watch by watching the sun. It is because when sun is at the midpoint, at the top of your head, at the time the 12 noon occurs. And in this way you can adjust your watch anytime, anywhere. And another important thing, you have when you saw the watch, you have seen at the time that the watch always show you the local time, and all the places situated in the same meridian followed the same local time. That's all from today's class. Hope you understand this subunit. Next class we'll discuss why do we have standard time. So till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.